Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to look at the Manfrotto 055 tripod. And I mean, you can see this thing is kind of long. I can slide this hardly to the image. So maybe we turn this up to the side right here. And I'm going to give you maybe a little zoom in and a close-up shot. I mean, this is a really awesome tripod. And maybe you can see this right here. I'm zooming in a little bit for you. It has really nice features that's really useful, like this easy link, and you can also you can use this really nicely for overhead shots. It's like a really flexible system, and that's why I like this so much. And I'm using it with my other fluid head. And yeah, guys, another thing to keep in mind. Basically, I used this one before, and I can only tell you, it's a difference of night and day. Also, what the construction quality is concerned, because with this thing, for example, when I would snap these out and have these tripod extended, maybe you can already see this a little bit, but this is like a real weak point. If I extend this out, inside here is like a weak point, and if you have this, if you deploy that rapidly and it slides down with the force of gravity, simply what happened after a few times, this spot just broke. So with these cheap ones, you really got to be cautious there, because I'm not exactly sure what it was inside, some kind of plasticky thing, and gone is the one part of your tripod. And guys, obviously, after doing a lot of comparing, that Manfrotto has a way better build quality. Having said that, I'm still kind of gentle of it, just because I had a bad experience. But yeah, let's unbox this and have a look at it, and you can quickly see how awesome this thing is. And yeah, guys, I mean, as you can see, this is a really quality kind of sturdy construction. I mean, just look at this build quality. You have these really nice solid grips right here. Let's turn this around real quick. Yeah, so the Manfrotto 055 tripod is one amazing tripod. I'm very happy with it. And let's have a look right here. I mean, these seem to be way more stable than my old tripod. So I'm still going to be careful with it, just because I had that bad experience. But other than that, I'm very happy with the build quality of this thing. Look how massive that is. That is way more sturdy than my cheap tripod. And then yeah, guys, one cool feature that I find myself using all the time, especially for doing product reviews, is just you loosen that screw, and then really cool, you can just go ahead and slide this right out. And you have a button on the bottom here, and you push that button, and bang, you can use it like so. And yeah, basically you probably already realized, you put the fluid head or the head on here, and then you can do these really nice top-down shots that I like to use for my product reviews so much. Only thing you want to keep in mind when you insert it back in, you have to move it all the way and then depress this button here, and then you can slide it back in. After, there's also do you see this mark right here? You have to put that into the right position over here, and then you can slide it back down. How easy is that? And yeah, always make sure to always screw it down so that you don't have any surprises. And then one other feature some people might be interested in is, again, this link feature, that you can put some accessory right on the tripod right here, and that's always covered by this again, quality, how do you say, rubber. Oh man, it even has a rubber gasket, right? So that's really nice. I mean, again, those are these little details that I simply won't find on one of these cheap tripods, I guess. Let's put this back on. So how about I show you how to install this fluid head as an example on here. And basically what you do is you just screw this on here. There's one big sturdy screw. And then afterwards you use this little screw and you fixate it again from below. So yeah, let's so yeah, let's go ahead and put this fluid head on here, and then all you need to do is align it and screw it down like so. Really easy. And then once it's tied down, I'm going to move this up a little bit and fixate it with this additional screw from below. I mean, I'm not sure how well you can see this, but you put it in from below. And I think when I was shopping for this tripod and fluid head, one thing people complain about is like, oh wow, there's only one screw. Why are there not 2 or 3 or something like that? But realistically, I found it works just fine. Don't over tighten it, but just make it firm and you're all good. And yeah guys, now you can move this around any way you want. And the only downfall that I can think of with this system is that this particular fluid head on this particular tripod, like it's big and heavy. So if you extend this all the way out, you can imagine the forces that work on that. I mean, I had no problem with it, but sometimes I wish it would be a little bit lighter, just so to be gentle to the tripod. So an alternative is to maybe, if you have a really heavy fluid head, you don't extend it all the way out, and if for some reason you really want to be gentle to it and extend it all the way out, you could also opt for a little bit lighter fluid head, because I saw Manfrotto also offers like different models and versions, or you could have like one of these other contraptions that's not a fluid head, but like where you can just like, I don't know how these are called, adjust it. And yeah, so that's the only thing I didn't think about. Other than that, I really love the system, especially awesome for my product reviews. Yeah, and that's basically what you will find inside the box. Let's take this out real quick. And like I said, like the build quality of this thing is awesome, and you can already see.
So yeah guys, if you found that product review useful, make sure to check out my separate fluid head review. And if you want to learn more about how to create an online business and freedom lifestyle, check out my free online training course. And I see you on my Create Success YouTube channel as a subscriber. Take care.